Imagine a world where you hold all the power, not by chasing, not by begging, but by doing the one thing nobody expects, ignoring. Welcome to the dark art of psychology, where the silence becomes your weapon and distance becomes your strength. In this video, you are about to learn the hidden secrets of making her chase you, not because you tried too hard, but because you mastered the power of ignoring. Stay with me because what you are about to hear will change the way you see attraction forever. Let's start with a truth most people don't want to hear. Chasing someone makes you weak. The moment you run after her, you become predictable, desperate, and easy to control. But when you ignore, when you pull back, something strange happens. Her mind starts to wonder, why isn't he texting? Why isn't he calling? What is he doing? That silence creates a void she can't resist feeling. This is the first rule of dark psychology. Absence creates obsession. When you stop giving her attention, her brain starts working overtime, trying to figure you out, and that's when the chase begins. Now let's be clear, this is not about playing games. It is about understanding human nature. People want what they can't have. When you are always available, always replying, always there, you become ordinary. But when you step back, when you show her you have a life, a purpose, a mystery she can't crack, you become magnetic. Picture this, you stop replying to her text instantly. You don't like every post she makes. You don't jump at her every word. Suddenly she is the one checking her phone, wondering why you are so quiet. That's the power of ignoring. It flips the script. She starts chasing you, not because you asked her to, but because she can't help it. Here is the secret sauce: controlled absence. You don't ghost her completely. That's too obvious. Instead, you give just enough to keep her curious, then pull back. Reply to her message, but take your time. Be warm, but not too warm. Show interest, but never desperation. Let her feel like she is earning your attention. Dark psychology teaches us that people value what's hard to get. When you make yourself a puzzle, she will do anything to solve it. But here is the catch. You have to mean it. If you are faking it, she will know. Your silence has to come from confidence, from knowing your worth, from living a life so full that she is just a part of it, not the center of it. Let me tell you a quick story. There was a guy, let's call him Alex. Alex was crazy about a girl, texting her all day, liking her post, always available. She barely noticed him. Then he learned the power of ignoring. He stopped texting first. He started focusing on his goals, his friends, his life. He would reply to her, but only when he felt like it. Within weeks, she was the one texting him first, asking where he was, even showing up at places she knew he would be. Why? Because his silence made her question her own value. That's the dark truth. When you stop chasing, you start winning. But here is the warning: the power isn't for the weak. Ignoring does not work if you are just sitting there waiting for her to notice. You have to build a life that is worth chasing. Hit the gym, chase your dreams. Surround yourself with the people who lift you up. When she sees you thriving without her, that's when the magic happens. She will wonder why she is not a part of your world, and she will fight to get in. This is the ultimate secret of dark psychology. You don't chase her. You make her chase you by becoming the man she can't ignore. So, what is the next step? Start small. Don't text her back right away. Let her wait. Focus on yourself, your goals, your passions, your life. Let her see you living without needing her approval. The moment you master the art of ignoring, you will see the tables turn. She will be the one texting first, calling first, chasing you. And when that happens, you will know you have cracked the code. This is the power of ignoring. Use it wisely and the world will bend to you. If you want more secrets like this, smash that like button, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Share this video with one friend who needs to hear it and tell me in the comment, have you ever used the power of ignoring? What happened? Let's talk. Until next time, stay strong, stay mysterious and let them chase you.